Let the car do the work. Nice. So we are back again, as Slim Shady would say. But we got a bit of a new toy we're playing with today.
Oh, that flashes?
I hope not, because that's going to do my face in.
No, that's fine. I would have thought that would
look at that,
cool.
Guys. We've got one of the min fraction, as people call them. But this is a 116, maybe 118. I don't really know. It's officially a drift car, and there will be a link down in the description below if you want to check this thing out, because we've ran it before around the garden, nowhere special, and it was incredible. It also comes with 2 sets of wheels, a proper set of drift wheels or some actual tires. And for what these ones are, they drift pretty well. So we're going to let Captain Slow drive first, show us what it do. Just very small adjustments to the wheel. It's got a perfect amount of control with these wheels on. Let the car do the work. Nice. Guys, we were just trying to get some slow-mos of it and the battery cut out. So, in all honesty, I don't know how long we were going, but it was a fair amount of time, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think in total we've had 25, 30 minutes.
Yeah, it was a very reasonable run time.
And it's a tiny battery, so
Yeah.
I mean...
Oh, nice.
Oh,
That was a good choice there, wasn't it?
yeah, clever enough.
But we were just saying, guys, this is amongst our smaller scales, our cheapos, if you will. This is by far my most enjoyable car.
It's warm, but it's not burning. So that's a win.
Happy days. Where do you place it among the smaller scales?
Watching you drive it, I totally agree with your, it's the best we got. I'm having trouble driving it, but I'm not a drift car sort of person. I do find it hard to drive it.
Stay repping, and we will see you next time.
Love you!
I'll see you next time.